In today's video, I'm doing a chill get ready with me using mainly vegan / cruelty-free brands. I love researching and discovering brands that I know will be worth your money and that I know are going to work on my skin type. Don't forget to hit that subscription down below if you want to see more videos, and let's get started. I love how I can use this moisturizer as a base for my makeup and how it makes me feel refreshed and how the formula just sinks right into the skin. It's very refreshing and it has a very citrus smell that is invigorating. I sometimes sneak this into my nighttime routine if I know that I'm going to be up late editing a video or up late doing some paperwork that need to be turned in for work. So this is definitely something that I've held on to for a while now. This has been a couple years that I've been into this product and I fully stand behind it, and I would definitely recommend this to my subscribers. Using this lip balm all winter, and I find that it feels really heavy and nourishing when applying it. It is a little bit difficult to apply to dry lips just because it doesn't glide on as easily as say a lip gloss or something. I will say it was smaller than I was expecting, but I do feel that it gives good nourishment and treatment for it to be worth it. This is a new purchase and I'm impressed with the coverage and how long lasting it is, especially for being a cruelty-free / vegan product. I feel like the color is a little off for me, but I can still get it to work. dedicated a whole video on this palette. So definitely check that video out if you're interested in hearing a more in-depth review on this product. I have continued to reach for this time and time again. This formula is beautiful. It is really easy to work with. I get really pretty blended eyes. I use so many colors in this look and they all blend together like a dream. I really want to try a foundation from this brand. So let me know if any of you have tried the Lawless Beauty foundation and whether you like it or not. My favorite purchase that I've made from this brand, Clove & Hollow. I love how this powder applies. It is so creamy and you don't really get a lot of product on the brush when you use it, which I like because it's buildable. And this color also has the perfect amount of warmth for my skin tone. I wanted to mention that you do have to buy the package container separately from the actual bronzer. So you do have to buy this separately. That threw me off at first, but I think that the powder is worth it for me. It's been working really well on my skin tone and my skin texture, but I do think that the formula is worth it. First time for me trying this product on, and I wanted you to see my first impression. I have been so curious about this formula. I'll definitely have to see how long lasting it is. Brown must be my thing right now. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be wearing this so much. Wow, I'm really impressed with this lip color. I think I found one of my favorites for this month. And I've only worn it once. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. I really enjoyed trying these products on for you. Some of these are new, some of these are oldies and favorites. And I hope that you can find some of these useful for your skin or makeup routine. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.